SSL native plugins provide the precision, advanced feature set and legendary tonal characteristics of SSL audio products in affordable plugin form. The latest native v6.5 release from Solid State Logic introduces the new XEQ2 Feet plugin and provides all users authorization of SSL native licenses onto a computer instead of a physical iLoc dongle. As of SSL native v6.5, a physical iLoc is no longer required to run SSL native. XEQ2 is the ultimate EQ toolkit for audio professionals. Built upon SSL's proprietary anti-cramping algorithms, XEQ2 simply sounds stunning. With 17 different classic and modern EQ type, curve options, XEQ2 is a formidable and powerful contender to be your new, go-to, EQ plugin. XEQ2 is a highly configurable 24-band EQ plugin, featuring unique anti-cramping algorithms for an unparalleled open and transparent sound. It's the ultimate EQ toolkit, with 17 different EQ types and filter shapes. Each band is switchable between bell, shelf, low-pass or high-pass filter types, with both classic and customizable shapes available for each band. It features brand new spatial processing options, band soloing, and the classic XEQ parallel mode for recreating the characteristic sound of old parallel passive EQ circuits. 24-band fully parametric high-quality digital EQ, featuring unique SSL anti-cramping algorithms. DSP optimization makes XEQ2 super efficient and CPU light. A total of 17 different filter types, 5 different cut filters, 9 bell shapes, shelving filters, a parallel mode, and custom filters. Extensive control options including draggable EQ graph nodes, mouse wheel adjustment and numerical data entry. Extremely low noise and low nonlinear distortion filter algorithms, resulting in the residual THD plus N significantly lower than 24-bit quantization. Noise mid, side and left, right. Spatial processing options, individual band solo and bypass, real-time FFT analysis, display inclusion of phase and step response graphs to show the effect of EQ processing.